Guys, this is Beto Chingon, and today I'm gonna have a new project. Okay, see all these solar panels here, and I have more here. I'm not gonna use them all for now. I'm gonna use some. I just need to probably install about 12 of these panels on on top of a container. I'll show you guys. Oh, guys, this is the top of my container, and this container is gonna be full of panels, full of solar panels. I'm surprised that like trucking companies, they don't think about this. They want to start using electric vehicles, electric big rigs, and they don't think about this. You can just put solar panels on top of a container. In my case, I'm gonna put the solar panels here just to generate power for the house. There's no need to be making like a carport or something like that if I have all this space available, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna put 12 solar panels here. I'm probably gonna have to cut these trees a little, just trim them a little. That way they don't cover the panels. This other tree here, same thing. Gonna have to trim it a little or pull it back. I can either pull it back or whatever, you know. So that's gonna be my first project. This container will be full of solar panels. Okay. This other one is fiberglass. The roof is fiberglass. So for that one, I'm probably gonna have to put some brackets on the side and run some metal frames on top of it, and it'll be full of panels too. But it's not gonna have that many. It's probably gonna have probably about 6, I'll say. But this one is gonna have 12. I already took the measurements, and I'm gonna be able to put 12 panels on this one. But anyway, this is gonna be the first part of the video. I'll show you guys the other part after we're doing the project or when we're getting close to finishing. Okay, it's gonna be simple. Basically, we're gonna be making some L-shaped brackets and drilling some holes in them, and then we're gonna use some self-tapping screws to bolt the brackets to the panels. Each panel is gonna have 4 brackets, and then from there, we're just gonna do some welding. We're gonna be welding the brackets on the top of the container. That way we don't have to worry about drilling holes, because these containers are sealed, you know. And I don't want this container later to start leaking, you know, water or, you know, dust going into mainly water going into the container, because we also have stuff inside the container. So we don't want to do that. But anyway, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna be generating power from the roof of this container, because right now it's not being used. As you guys can see, it's just full of trash, you know. So we're gonna clean it, and we're gonna be putting those solar panels. Okay. And this is gonna be the first part of the video, guys. I'll show you when we finish. Thank you. Take care. Bye.